drawing mistakes for beginners. Today I am taking on the challenge of avoiding the top 10 drawing mistakes that beginners make in 2024. Let's see if I can do it. When I come to improving your drawing skills of beginners, there one crucial step that often get overlooked: avoiding common mistakes. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of getting some new, but those mistakes can hold you back from reaching your full potential. That way, in this video, we going to explore the top 10 drawing mistakes to avoid in 2024 and share some useful tips on how to overcome them.